Hi everyone, welcome to Medicine Note YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to see about adenovirus. Adenovirus are a group of medium-sized non-enveloped double-stranded DNA virus share common complement fixing antigen. Infection are common mostly in children. This adenovirus infection are more common mostly in children. Many infections are asymptomatic. There is no symptoms before the infection, they are asymptomatic. The infected people are human, animal, bird with strict host specificity. Morphology. Adenoviruses are 70 to 75 nanometer in size. The virion have appearance of space vehicle. It looks like space vehicle. Growth and host range. The human adenovirus grow only in tissue culture of human origin such as embryonic kidney, HeLa or Hep2. Cytopathic changes for several days. There are cytopathic changes in several days. Classification. These adenoviruses are classified into two genera, mastadenovirus and aviadenovirus. Mastadenovirus is for mammals, aviadenovirus is for birds. Oncogenic human adenoviruses cause sarcomas when injected into newborn hamsters. This oncogenic human viruses cause sarcomas, cancerous condition, when it is injected to newborn hamsters. A group antigen detected by immunofluorescent test or ELISA. This group antigen of the adenoviruses are detected by immunofluorescent test or ELISA. Type specific antigen are located on pentones and fibers. Serotypes are identified by neutralization test. Over 50 serotypes of adenoviruses are isolated from human source and they are divided into A to F. There are 50 adenoviruses serotypes are identified in human source and they are divided into according to group A to group F. Pathogenicity. Adenoviruses cause infection of respiratory tract, eye, bladder and intestine. More than one type of virus produce clinical syndrome. Following syndrome have been recognized. Pharyngitis. Adenoviruses is a main cause of non-bacterial pharyngitis and tonsillitis, presenting as a febrile common cold. Type 1 to 7 are common responsible for this pharyngitis. Pneumonia. Adenoviruses type 3 and 7 are associated with pneumonia, resembling primary atypical pneumonia. Infants and young children type 7 may lead to most serious, even fatal pneumonia. Acute respiratory disease. This occurs usually as outbreaks of military records. Serotypes are 7, 4, 7 and 21. Pharyngoconjunctival fever. This syndrome is febrile pharyngitis and conjunctivitis. The serotype 4 to 7 and 21. Epidemic cheiroconjunctivitis. This is a serious condition caused by type 8 and less often by type 19 and 37. Acute follicular conjunctivitis. Non-purulent inflammation of conjunctiva with enlargement of submucous lymphoid follicle of periauricular lymph nodes. Type 3, 7 and 11. Diarrhea. Diarrheal diseases in children type 40 and 41. They have been designated as enteric type adenovirus. Acute hemorrhagic cystitis. In children, generalized enanthem is diffuse rashes, this is an exanthem, and type 11 and 21 is responsible for acute hemorrhagic cystitis. Lab diagnosis. Tissue culture. Isolation of the virus from the throat, eye, urine and feces. The specimens are collected from this part like eye, urine, feces and throat. The materials are inoculated in the tissue culture. Nothing cytopathic effect. There is nothing. Typing of neutralization test. Subgrouping by hemagglutination with rat and monkey erythrocytes. And it is another lab diagnosis which is serodiagnosis, a serological diagnosis and rise in the antibodies demonstrated by paired sera. Electron microscopy. It is used in fecal virus detection. Immunofluorescence. Viral antigen detection in nasopharyngeal and ocular infection are useful. This immunofluorescence is used in nasopharyngeal and ocular infection. PCR based tests have been used for detection of viral DNA. Prophylaxis. Killed and live vaccines have been used for preparation. No vaccines are available because there is several types of serotypes present in this adenovirus and mild nature of infection in adenovirus. Thank you. For more videos, please do subscribe, like, share, comment. If you have any doubt in any topics, please do comment.